What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Ned from NASTechBits. Today we're going to be checking out this smart bracelet, Your Health Steward. Bought this thing for, geez, probably under 20 bucks. Off of eBay from China. Took about a month or two, but it finally got here. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. It's interesting. It has a little circle there, almost like an Apple Watch. Okay, from here I thought it would look more like a Fitbit Versa. And here's a Versa, and you can definitely tell very easily the differences. One thing I'm really impressed in is it'll give you your heart rate monitor there. So yeah, looks like you got the red one. I'm sure I didn't order a red one. I'm not a red kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? It's interesting that we have the pickups there. I wonder what they're there to pick up. I know that in some of these watches in the past, when I've torn them down, they have had an antenna on the side. I am not seeing an antenna. I am not going to be able to read that. And I'm certain an antenna didn't just fall out of here. But those definitely look like pickups for an antenna. Please don't tell me that's how I have to charge this thing. How do I charge this thing? Oh my, this should be interesting. Anyways, let me play around with this thing, and I'll get back to you guys. I think I figured it out. Is it charging? Yes, it's charging. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. That is so cool. It's not charging now. Come on. Why'd you stop? Don't be shy. Oh, that looks very nice. That looks very nice. Again, just gotta sit and let the sucker charge. Alright, so I've had some time to play around with it for a bit. Man, the camera catches this one a lot easier than it caught some of the earlier units. Little tap in the middle. I'll show you what's going on, how many steps you've taken, your beats per minute, and it's always at 75. I haven't seen it say anything other than 75. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying I haven't seen it at 75. And I have seen this thing actually flashing, so I do know it does work. And it all operates off this one little button. And if you want to get into your messages, you have to long press. Okay. Oh yeah. If you want to get into more, you have to long press. Come on. And that's where to go if you want to download the app. The app is a little sketchy. It asks you for permission to everything on your system. So it's really sketchy, I gotta say. That's how you reset it. It's where you get the MAC address, I suppose. And unfortunately, I can't get this thing to connect because ideally, I believe I'm supposed to come all the way over here and long press, and then it'll search for my phone. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It just shuts down. Now, I've reviewed a lot of low-cost smartwatches, and I've been amazed by the prices of these things, but I gotta say, I've probably reviewed 15, and out of those 15, 3 of them have come not fully functional. It's unfortunate when that happens, but I feel I just have to go forward with it. You know what? Bigfoot, they only get pictures of him looking blurry, so I'm thinking Bigfoot is just a blurry individual. Maybe these watches, this is how they're supposed to work. They're just not. And I'm just going to review them as they come out. So next up, I want to open her up and see what the inside looks like. Now, the corner was a little bit cracked. And one thing I should definitely say about... sorry, the corner was popped up a bit when I got it. And again, one thing I should say about all of these smartwatches is that, dude, I got this for 10 bucks. I just checked. I got it for 10 bucks, shipped for free, for free shipping. 10 bucks. Like, how can I complain about any technology that does this kind of stuff for 10 bucks for free, with free shipping? Come on. There you get a pry tool. Actually, check this out. The button right there. My goodness. There's actually a button. Okay. So I can actually confirm if I'm pressing the button down all the way. Come on. No, it's not taking it. It's not taking it. Okay, let's take a look at the unit. Anyways, let's take a look at that. Is that hot snot? That's flex cable. No, that's just a flex cable at the bottom. See if I can gently pry. Oh, there's a clip of it. Okay, just some clips. Here, pop right up and over, and oh man, that's the cleanest. That is the cleanest disassembly I've done. I am happy with that. I love it when I get a clean disassembly like that. That's really something. That is really something. And where's the... Where'd my switch go? Here it is. Come on. Come on. That's some good stuff right there. I tell you what, Pop. I say this thing definitely is not waterproof. There's no gasketing in there at all. Or that'd be just done. Oh, that's the heart rate checker. I almost wonder if it's real. I can't even say. They'll be taking the signal to... Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one, folks. Catch you later.